For the sound meditation, there are two steps. One, how to listen to sound. Second, sound meditation. Okay? So first, how to listen to sound. So can you hear? Everybody? If you can hear this sound, raise your hand. Now you know how to listen. So the first step is finished. And should I teach you second step? Second step has one big secret. So, should I tell you the secret? The secret is sound meditation is already done. Finish. You understand or not? How many of you not understand the secret? Raise your hand. Meaning is, I ask you, can you hear the sound? You say yes. So that is the sound meditation. You're aware of sound, right? The ear and mind both listen to the sound. So that is the sound meditation. Only the object is different. The essence is same. The awareness. The awareness is just, awareness is one. But when you use awareness with the body or sensation, then it becomes awareness of the body, awareness of sensation. Now you're using sound, and it becomes sound meditation. And it can be visual object, can be smell, taste, sensation, even thought and emotion also. But thought, emotion, if you are new to meditation, you have to wait for a while. First you have to do this foundation meditation, like feeling, sensation, sound, this one first. Okay? So now we're going to practice this sound meditation together. So please keep your spine straight. You can, if you have back pain, you can use chair like me. As long as if you can keep your spine straight, little bit straight, Don't worry, a little bit like this, a little bit like that, a little bit like that, no problem. So just a little bit, relatively, keep your spine straight, loosely. Loosely keep your spine straight and close your eyes. So first, relax your body. And relax meaning, not relax is also allowed. And be aware of sensation from head to feet. Now, please listen to the sound. Okay, now finish. How was it? So sound meditation is better, or the meditation with the sensation feels better? Sound better, raise your hand. Okay. Body sensation, raise your hand. Okay, so it depends on the personality. So if you feel body is more easy, you have to begin with the body, a sensation in the body. If you feel sound is more easy, you need to begin with sound first. But even you feel sound is good now, tomorrow, okay. Next day, so. Next day, gosh, sound. So you will feel bored. And then back to the body. You feel, oh, nice. I thought, I have particular connection with sound, not the body, but actually sound is better. You will feel like that after a few days later. So that's normal. So you need to change different technique. Although there's many different techniques, but actually only one. Right? What is the one? Awareness. So another important thing is awareness is important, but when you listen to sound, you are not particularly thinking about awareness. Right? And no need also, because you already recognize awareness. I told you, awareness is important. The recognition of awareness is important. I already introduced you awareness. So that view stays back of your mind, behind your heart, the view. And then the motivation that you want to meditate with the sound, that's the motivation. So this view and meditation change the quality of the listen to the sound automatically. So you don't have to worry, look for, where's the awareness? I can hear sound, but the awareness where? So not necessary to look something extra. Yeah, but then there's later the awareness without object or something like that, step by step you can practice in the future. Okay?